What are the different job profiles available in digital marketing domain?
So I would divide this answer into two parts. One is from a marketing perspective, and another is from a technology perspective. First of all, if I give an answer from a technology perspective, the world is changing. Technology is changing every day, and so is the entire web experience is changing. So if you look at the web experience point of view, creating of websites, earlier there used to be static websites, the world is now moving towards dynamic websites. So on the technology side, there will be a great demand and a continuous demand for people who develop websites. And minded with technologies like HTML5 coming up, the entire web experience is going to change. So website developers, web designers, and those kind of industry will have a great demand and continuous demand, because nobody would keep one website for more than 2 years. It will automatically change. So the demand would be continuous on the technology side. Then the second opening on the technology side that people will have is SEO specialist, who can understand a little, a depth of the code, how websites are designed, what are various technologies used while creating websites, and those coding skills of theirs would be required to get them into an SEO specialist role rather than being a normal SEO person. So that's again a great requirement. If you check from a marketing profile, the demand is going to be endless. So first, a person who is from a marketing background, he can get an immediate job as a digital marketing executive, where he is handling a website from a continuous brand point of view. So he's handling the SEO of the website, he's handling Google AdWords of that website, he's also doing social media optimization, that is handling their Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, social media platforms, and continuously attracting a lot of traffic on the main brand website. So first is that. Second is, if you want to get into a further advanced role, there is something called a social media expert. Now, companies like Dell, they appoint 50 to 100 people only to check their social media presence. What are people commenting about them on the internet? And that is one of the greatest requirements that industry would see, is what are people talking about to you on the social media presence. I guess Indian government should also apply a few people who should monitor their social media presence and what are people saying to them on the internet. So that is a social media expert who is monitoring things on the internet and talking and things like that. So that is a social media expert. Another profile that a marketing person would get is a SEO role, a basic SEO role, where he understands on-page optimization. That is what he is supposed to do on the website, so that the website should get indexed on the search engine results. And the other is off-page optimization on various tools that he can do outside the website to attract traffic. So SEO profiles, they'll have that. So tremendous opportunities, both people who are from the marketing side and people who are from the technology side.